Are metal roofs noisy? Do they attract lightning? Will they cook your house in the summer or send your bill through the roof? If you've ever wondered whether a metal roof is right for your home, you've probably heard all kinds of things. Some true, most not. By the end of this video, you'll know the real answers to the questions homeowners ask us the most. And you'll know exactly which type of metal roof makes the most sense for your home and your budget. We'll break down every major type of metal roof, the honest pros and cons of each, and how they hold up in Colorado and Wyoming with the hail, wind, and the other weather. And what it actually costs over the life of the roof so you can decide with confidence which is best for you. I'm J Bretz. I founded Excel Roofing in 1993, and since then we have served over 55,000 customers with many metal roof replacements and repairs. Let's go over some of the most frequently asked questions about metal roofs. Are metal roofs noisy when it rains? No. If you were standing right outside next to the roof, you would hear raindrops landing on it, but inside the home, it's undetectable. Are metal roofs expensive? Yes, metal roofs cost more up front than asphalt shingles, but because of their long lifespan, they're actually cheaper in the long run. A metal roof typically lasts 2 to 3 times as long as an asphalt shingle. But consider this, a metal roof should last 50 to 60 years, while the typical asphalt shingle, they only last about 15 years. Once you factor that in, the metal roof is clearly the cheaper option over time. Cost isn't just about the sticker price either. Because metal is so much more durable than asphalt, a metal roof is far less likely to be damaged by hail. Depending on the type of metal, it typically takes baseball size or larger hail to total a metal roof, versus quarter-size hail that can damage an asphalt shingle roof. That said, not all metal roofs are created equal. Some are thicker and stronger, while others are thinner and more susceptible to denting, such as an R-panel roof installed with exposed screws. R-panel roofs are usually made from thinner metal, which makes them more prone to dents. Most of the time, though, these dents don't cause any structural damage. Think of it like driving a car with hail dents. Over the years, I've seen plenty of dented metal roofs, but that's because I pay close attention to roofs for a living. Most homeowners, they don't even notice the small to medium-sized dents in their own metal roof. Do metal roofs attract lightning? No. Metal is not a magnet for lightning, and because it's non-combustible, it's actually safer than other roofing materials if a lightning strike should occur to your home. Another question I've heard over the years is, will a metal roof make my home hotter? This answer may surprise you, and it is no. Metal inherently reflects the solar radiation rather than absorbing it. And manufacturers, they can add coatings on top of the metal, especially in light colors that will actually reflect even more of this radiation. On the subject of, will a metal roof make my home hotter? Stone-coated steel deserves a specific explanation. One of the most popular metal roofing options for residential homes is stone-coated steel, which can be installed in 2 different ways. Direct to deck, the metal is attached directly to the wood decking of the home, or a batten system. The metal is installed over 2x2 wood battens, which elevate the roofing material off of the wood deck and create an airspace underneath. The direct to deck is a good cost-saving installation method. However, it will transfer just a little bit more of the heat than the stone-coated steel that's installed on elevated battens. The batten system is the better of the two. 2x2 battens are laid horizontally on the roof, and then the stone-coated steel is attached directly to the battens. This creates a dead airspace that blocks heat transfer. This keeps the home cooler in the summer, and in the winter, it acts as a barrier between the warm attic and the cold roof, reducing ice dams, which is a persistent problem here in the mountains of Colorado and Wyoming. Ventilation and insulation matter too. Regardless of the roofing material, attic ventilation is critical. It's the main reason heat gets trapped inside of the attic and radiates it down into the home. Attic insulation is just as important. Having 20 inches or more of insulation is one of the best ways to cut heating costs in the winter and cooling costs in the summer. This will keep your home comfortable year-round. What's the best metal roof for your home? That depends on your priorities. On a budget, An exposed fastener panel roof is the least expensive metal roofing option available. Budget conscious but hail durable, stone-coated steel mimics the look of asphalt shingles, concrete tile, or cedar shake while offering excellent hail resistance. If the budget allows and you want a top-of-the-line metal roof, a standing seam metal roof, this is the way to go. Would you like to learn more? Visit the Learning Center on our website for more videos and articles on metal roofing, attic ventilation, and insulation. Ready to get started? Give us a call to schedule a time for us to come take a look at your project, or use our easy online scheduler and pick a day and time that works best for you. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you on your project.